Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I'm living in Illinois right now, and I'm like standing outside. This is the road. It is extremely flooded. I'm actually gonna try to walk out there, not too deep, but I'm gonna show you guys how flooded it is. Like the sidewalk, my foot goes all the way in. Oh, the water's cold. You see that, guys? My toes are immersed under the water. It's horrifying. And then if you walk over here, guys, my phone is getting wet. If you walk over here, the deeper your foot goes in the water. Look at that. Oh, my feet's freezing. Okay, I'm going inside. That's horrifying, guys. Alright, guys. Bye, YouTube.